Hey guys, Reece here from Reece's Auto Headlining Repairs.com. So today we dropped down a Peugeot 307cc 2004 model. We took down the headliner board, and I'll show you the steps that we took to actually remove this headliner board, just in case you're wondering. So as you may know, the headliner board's actually quite tiny. It's about the size of what a ute headliner board would be. We took off the interior light here and those rear plugs, front plug there. And once that was done, we were able, so this is the front section here, we were able just to pull down on that. There are 5 plastic plugs that are holding it up at the front. So once you pull that down, they unplug themselves. And then at the back, at the rear here, there are these ones here, another set of 5. However, those ones there, all you're doing is you're pushing the headliner board towards the back and then back away again, so that would unhook those rear plugs at the back, and then the headliner board safely comes down. You can take it away from the side plastic trim molds, and that's it. So once it's out, and if yours is sagging like this one, you're going to have to recover in brand new material to fix the sagging issue. I wouldn't worry about trying to spray the old material back on, because there's no foam backing on the old material if it's sagged, and the glue would just basically stain straight through onto the visible side. Plus, by factory they put it under a lot of tension, so trying to get it back into the original shape, you're probably going to find that the fabric has shrunk or got really loose in some areas. So you take that bugger completely off, and you'll be scraping off the old foam and reapplying brand new material, headlining grade material, back onto this board, and then reinstalling. This one's quite a simple one to drop down and put back in. So if you're looking for the steps to take on recovering your car headliner, just click the link below in the description. It will take you to a downloadable ebook that will take you through all the steps that we take professionally to recover a car headliner, and also the common problems to watch out for. So taking this old material off, we're going to have to take this front plastic fascia off, and I believe it's just glued on to the board here, so we probably have to peel that off safely without breaking the plastic here, recover it, wrap the material around the front, and then re-glue that whole plastic fascia back on. One good way of getting just this old foam off would be just using like a straw brush, and then you can it comes off quite easy. Usually you want to get it nice and clean. And also watch out for this. This is like where the board's starting to separate itself. That's not too bad, but I guess it can happen where the board's separating itself all the way down, and you might have to repair that prior to putting brand new material on. And yeah, so we're going to go through and recover this one now.